Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever uploaded a video to TikTok and seen the dreaded video under review message, you are probably wondering why it is actually taking so long for your content to published. It is quite frustrating when your video is stuck in the review stage, especially if you have put a lot of effort into creating it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix video under review issue on TikTok, whether it's a problem with your video's content, TikTok's system or your account settings. I've got you covered with some simple fixes to get your video online and visible to your followers. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description. Now without further delay, let's get dive in. So first of all, you need to check for the content violation. This is the first thing that you need to do. You need to just check if your video violates any TikTok's community guideline. If your video contains the content that TikTok's automated system flags, it may be under review for this reason. So here is how you can find it, or here is what you can do. First of all, you need to launch your TikTok mobile application just like so, and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner and then go to your settings and privacy. Now in your settings and privacy, you will see the second option of privacy, so you just have to tap on it. Now once you do this, you just have to go to the personalization and data, and over here you need to view your history. You can even try to find the option of history here, and you need to check if TikTok actually flagged any of the part of your video as inappropriate. If your video does violate the guidelines, it will likely remain under review or might be removed. So you may need to adjust the content and upload it again, or you can file an appeal if you believe that the review was in error. Now the second step that you need to do is to simply wait for the TikTok's review process. Sometimes the video are just held for a longer review period because of TikTok's moderation system. So TikTok actually review millions and millions of videos every single day, and some content gets delayed in the process. So here is what you can do for it. So you need to be patient and you need to allow at least 24 to 48 hours for TikTok to complete your review. There are many videos under review that are simply waiting for manual checks from the platform's moderation team. If it is been longer than 2 days, your video is still under review, you can try this second step or the second method that I'm about to show you. So as I said earlier, if your video is taking too long to get approved, or if it is stuck under review for more than 48 hours, you might want to try re-uploading it. So you need to launch your TikTok mobile application, then go to your profile tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to find the video that is under the review and then tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, and you need to save that video as in your gallery or in your phone. So once you have successfully downloaded the video, you need to open your TikTok app and you need to just tap on this plus icon in the middle, and you need to basically re-upload that video again. So before uploading, you need to check if any of the part of the video might have caused the initial delay, like music or copyright content or any inappropriate visuals, or you need to make edits to avoid any kind of issues. This often helps you to bypass the review process if there is any technical delay. Now in the final method, you can just directly contact to the TikTok customer support team. For that, once you are on this page, simply tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, then go to settings and privacy. Now in your settings and privacy, you just have to tap on the option of report a problem, and over here you just have to describe them that you have uploaded a video and now it is under review for more than 48 hours. Then TikTok customer support team is going to help you in this regard. So these were some of the methods that you can try in order to fix TikTok video that is stuck under review. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.